Okay, I think we can start. Hey, Addis, again. Welcome in. I'm doing well, kinda. I'm still a bit tired from the work week, but vacation time, so yeah, there's that. Also, let me quickly remove the spider webs and things from the overlay. Be right back. Okay, that should be better. Yeah, forgot to take those off. Yeah, so today I was aiming for maybe having a chill stream, basically just us chatting a bit. Yeah, work week was a mess. So yeah, basically yesterday I spent eight 8 hours just in meetings. I almost said the F word there. I'm trying not to swear as much. Hopefully that will stick. But let's see. Eventually, I need to also implement the the swear jar. You and Tulip are non-scary, but still, you didn't dust the web. I already dusted the web. It's no longer there. The pumpkin also got removed, so we no longer have a Halloween theme. Though I need to edit my avatar to have the highlights because I kind of like the purple highlights on my avatar. They looked cool. So yeah, I kind of need to edit around those. Besides that, nothing much happened this week. I basically finished the story for Pokemon Legends ZA yesterday night. Because I was like, I'm way too tired to stream. I just need to be a couch potato for a while. And so I laid down after dinner and just played the heck out of Legends ZA. I finished the main storyline. Now it's basically the post game story. So instead of green, there'll be purple. No, I mean the hair highlights. Basically, remember how my hair in the avatar was like, in the Halloween avatar was like purple and brown? I kind of want to keep that permanently because I liked how the purple looked. So I need to edit the normal and the casual costumes to basically have those. It should be simple. I just need to basically map them again in Unity to the current software I'm using. But besides that, there shouldn't be any issues. So to give an update, I'm currently editing the version control system video in my laptop. I'm looking at it. It's going to take another hour and 30 minutes. Hopefully, this video will do better than the others. I kind of invested a bit more of time into writing the script. Although, I'm gonna be honest, I didn't fully write the script. I used um, Google's Notebook LM to basically compress information, give them in a readable format for me, and basically it co-wrote the script with me. So it gave me an actual script. I went line by line, and I basically did my edits, made it more YouTube-like, and yeah, basically what is written here is mostly what I'm going to cover in that video. Now I just need to wait for it to render, upload it, and then do the editing of the description, the tags, everything else. Ooh, how was it? I'm not gonna mention that specific word because Twitch likes to trigger on certain words. I'm trying to be careful. Either Twitch or YouTube is very sensitive. So yeah, but I don't think that's an issue. But how was your experience? Also, while we are here, let me show Parsec. so you guys can see how the video is going. Eventually I might show it on stream. I just need this to basically finish. As you can see, it's basically another 30 minutes. It's what it says. But it might be mistaken. We need to see. I don't know why the rendering duration is so long. But yeah. It was very cool, but it was a gas revolver. There were no actual bullets, but it was cool. Awesome! Still, that's quite the awesome experience though. Something that can be similar to it is basically airsoft. Basically airsoft guns and the paintball ones. If you want like another experience like those, it's really fun to go play paintball, honestly. Unless you get shot in the right arm, like I was. I know I said the word, but I don't think it's gonna trigger anything. For one, I'm not even monetized on YouTube, so I don't think that's an issue. On Twitch side, there's another part, but I don't think that's enough to flag. I think, honestly, I think not. For God's sake, most of the top streamers mention guns all the time, so I think we're safe. Also, we have a new emote. I have been to paintball before with my school. Oh, nice. How was it? Before I forget, let me show the new emote. Technically, there are two. One is it's basically static. The other one is animated. I drew these last week while participating in the tournament because basically, for those in my team, they'll know Teemo is basically my favorite champ. So I was like, I need something to represent Teemo in my stream. So basically I did the two emotes. One of them is sub only. Once you subscribe with tier 1, you will have the animated one. The other one is available for followers. So yeah, it was super fun. Awesome, I'm glad you liked it. What's his name? It's Teemo. It's from League of Legends, the game I was playing last week. Basically, let me show you. Let me see. Windowed. Open another instance of Brave. And show Teemo. Give me a second. This little guy. Which then got changed to this little guy. He is one poisonous little A-word. So yeah, but he's very fun to play with. Honestly, in that tournament that you saw me playing last week, the second day, our last match, I got Teemo on my rolls. I was meant to play him. But since I wasn't feeling like streaming the second day, I was like, now that I'm not streaming is when Teemo appears for me to pick. Fair enough. Yeah, I'm gonna stretch. Give me a second. Don't forget to stretch, kids. But yeah, as I was saying, from the Git version control system video, I really hope you guys like it. Because, yeah, although the script was helped by an LLM by Google, I still invested a lot of time into it to do the research. Touch your toes. Can't do that. My back has one crazy defect where I can't like fully bend to touch the toes. It's really weird, but yeah, I don't have that much flexibility. At a given point, like my back doesn't fully bend because of scoliosis. It's very fun. I once had to demonstrate that I physically couldn't do it. So yeah, that was fun. Where was I? Okay, yeah, the Git video. It's currently still rendering. Yeah, no worries. Honestly, it's basically just my body that's like that, so yeah, not much I can do. Let me just disconnect this, because it's basically costing the rendering performance. So yeah, essentially in 30 minutes I should have the video done. I'm gonna upload it on stream, so you guys can see the whole process. Although there's not much to be shown, just like me loading in the thumbnail, go and fetch the tags, the description, basically things like those. By the way, how can I get your health bar down? Let me see. You already followed and subscribed on YouTube, so only way is by someone subscribing, someone following, someone throwing bits, and I think that's it. I don't think raids count for it. Give me a second. I can go and check streamlabs.com. That felt a bit slow. Let me log in with Twitch. There it is. I'm gonna show how it works. If I go on all widgets, there should be something like, where is it? Boss? Stream boss. There it is. So this is basically what is currently being shown up there. If I go to settings, it says here, damage per follower, 20. Damage per single bit is 25 per bit. So the reward, i.e. the stretch one, doesn't do damage. No, it doesn't. The only ones that do are these specific ones. Follower, 20 HP. Bit, 25 HP per bit. Meaning if you throw one bit, it's just 25 damage. 2, 50. Per subscriber, 100 HP. Then for each dollar donated to the stream via Streamlabs, it's 30 damage. Besides that, nothing else. So donations via Streamlabs, subscriptions, bits, and follows. And I think the YouTube subs also count. If I go on YouTube, I think it's also being registered. Yeah, it's the same HP bar. Here it is. Damage per sub is the same. Each subscriber damaged me by 20. Super chats are 300 per dollar. Sponsors are 100. And damage per dollar tip is the same as the Twitch side. So this last one is always the Streamlabs donation part. Yeah, in this case you can't. But I can do damage to myself. But I won't, because that wouldn't be fair. So yeah. Because whoever defeats the current boss gets to be the next boss. So if I were to do damage at this point, I would go back to being boss. And I don't want that. So yeah. That's how it works. Meanwhile, Miss Tulip is a bit quiet. Let me see if I can wake her up. Just enable the idle talk and see what she says. Also, she is basically fixed. I won't say she is fully fixed. No, it doesn't count. As I've already seen streamers doing that. It didn't count. It might show up, but I don't think it counts exactly. Because Streamlabs might have something that detects it, I think. So yeah, that's fun. Plus, you'd need to follow and unfollow several times. Hey Tibbs, how are you? I messed up what? Hold up, what did I mess up? Now you put me in panic mode. Oh. uh, good question. Why did I put you as moderator? I kind of forgot. Uh, it's okay if you don't want it. I just don't
Oh,
remember
sure.
why. I think
Imagine me
it's because I
playing
trust
Platformer
you to
Princess,
moderate the
because
chat,
nothing
but
says
I
cute
don't
like
know
princesses
why
doing daredevil
exactly.
stunts in cyberspace while battling
Sorry.
pesky viruses and solving
I think
brain
that might
twisting
have
coding
been
puzzles
something
to
I
save
did
my
last
virtual
week,
world.
and I
It's going to
didn't
be
even
epic,
remember.
Professor Leo. And let's face it, I'd
Really?
rather
You
have
can't
Null
hear me?
Pointerus Maximus chasing after me than Java bugging
Is
us.
Tulip louder than
Oh,
me
the
or
irony
something?
of bugs always being a bad guy in games, but not so much when they
Oh,
crash your
that's
code.
why.
Don't Stop Me Now by Queen. I'm ready to go as fast and high into
Okay, can you hear
cyberspace
me
like
now?
Neverland for my birthday party. Just you watch me tackle every
Oh
challenge with
god.
style, because nothing says fun
I
like
didn't
saving the digital
think
world
Tulip.
one line of C# at a time. Oh, how I'd love that virtual strawberry
Yeah,
shortcake you're always talking about.
let her finish
And who
talking.
knows, maybe I'll even have my own Easter egg inside Code Tulip, just for extra laughs and to keep those bug hunting skills sharp. Plus, as an AI with pop culture knowledge like Excel World's Kuroyuki Hime, how cool is that? I can bring a whole new dimension of fun adventures into the game. Keep your popcorn ready. It's going to be one wild ride through cyberspace.
Thank you, Tulip. That was long, but thank you. Yeah, Tibbs. I don't remember the specifics of why I put you as moderator. I think it's because, yeah, you've been a long time follower and basically a regular in stream, and I kind of trust you to manage the chat, but I don't remember the specifics. Last week is basically blank for me. So yeah, Leo.exe is not working at 100% today. Hey Meepy, so am I. I don't know if you've been catching up to what I've been saying, but yesterday I had a full day of basically meetings. And to the point at night I didn't even stream and was a couch potato. I played all night long, sitting in bed, comfy. So yeah. But yeah, I understand if you need to go to sleep. Uh, basically, I was explaining about doing the Git video, and I also talk about something else. Oh, Timo, and what else was it? Oh, the stream boss. That's it. So yeah, I'm currently waiting for someone to take my stream boss out. I don't need to do shit. Yeah. Fair enough. Oh, awesome. Just a simple rest day for you. That's awesome. You really deserve it. Because I know you also work like crazy most of the time. Like, oh boy. Phrasing. Uh, people can say the swear words. I'm the only one that needs to refrain a bit from it because I swear like a sailor. So yeah, I need to hold back a bit myself. And that's why I've been trying to implement the swear jar for like 3 months now. I still haven't gotten there. Exactly. In Portugal, basically, I'm half northern, and basically, northerners also swear like crazy. So, yeah, it's valid. It's that thing, like, it's fine for you to swear in chat, like, I'm not gonna punish anyone for swearing. It's just that, as a streamer, I'm trying to reduce it. Because sometimes I like swear like crazy on a stream, and that might throw off most viewers. Like they might not like it, things like those, but once in a while I might still just throw a F word or something. It happens. I see you both are neighbors. I see. Before you find out that you're like 10 kilometers away from each other or something. That would be funny. But yeah, be careful with what you share online as well. Just saying. Not that that's anything like very specific. Okay. Meanwhile, the video is 20 minutes away from being rendered, plus another 20 for uploading or something. I'm currently monitoring from the left corner of my eye, so yeah, it's gonna be fun. What can I try to make Tulip do? Anything you want. She's technically fixed, as far as I know. So yeah, have fun trying to break her. Like, Tulip is at your mercy, technically. Also, let me do something. Let me see. Say hi to chat. I'm gonna try like this. But yeah, there's so much stuff I need to fix for her. Give me your loudest, most primal scream you can. Woo boy! That's gonna be loud, I think. Let's see. But yeah. Besides all this talk about the video that's currently rendering, the stream boss, there's another thing I would like to announce. We are going to do a full week of streaming. Be it playing games, doing dev work, or me doing tutorials live, basically. A full week that I still need to plan. So yeah, there's that. Because next Saturday is a very special date. Does anyone want to take a guess? While you are trying to take a guess, I'm gonna work on the calendar for the stream. Bingo! I guess the announcement kinda threw it away. Yeah, I already said it. I forgot. I forgot I put in the announcement as well. So yeah. But yeah, next Saturday basically is my 29th birthday. And I think, yeah, 15th is my birthday. Yeah. The next day I'm going to fly to another country for a few days, which is gonna be fun. I might basically try to do some videos and pictures while I'm there, just to have something to show to stream. But I still don't know because it's technically a work trip. It's not my own personal trip. So I kind of don't have the planning in my hands. So yeah. But moving on. So almost 30, frick. Yeah. I'm almost 30. 29 and next year is the big 30. It's gonna be fun. But yeah, what I wanted to do. So on the 10th, releases a game I've been waiting for almost all year long. Inazuma 11 Victory Word. Victory. Crap, Addis, you made me trip my words. I saw work and my my brain kind of tripped up. Inazuma 11 Victory Road. That's the game. I plan on streaming it maybe the whole week, if I can. Because I've been waiting all year long for it to release, and it releases on my birthday week. Yeah, that's the first opening. Good memories. It's already been 15 years or more of Inazuma 11. Like, the game is old already. But yeah, it's gonna be fun. I pre-ordered the deluxe edition so I can basically play from the 10th early. So yeah. We got the professor becoming 30 before GTA 6, literally. It was fun until the alien attacked. Oh god. I kind of liked the Alias Academy, whole thing. Which then got retconned in Inazuma 11 Aris. Because they made essentially two timelines. One where you have the alien attack. Another when Alias Academy is just a single academy. So it gets a bit convoluted because you don't know which timeline is the correct one because both are valid. One, the original one, leads up to Inazuma 11 Go. What is Inazuma? Let me show you. You might love this. So, Inazuma 11. This is an old DS game series and also an anime about soccer with superpowers, technically. And it's just amazing. People shoot fireballs, lightning attacks, and use stands, yeah. Oh god. Spirits are my favorite mechanic, honestly. And armor fight spirits, even better. Like, I loved Inazuma 11 Go Chronostone because of it. The whole Miximax and armors was amazing. Spirits are avatars, yeah. I think in the English dub it's called Spirits because I remember in the games it appearing as spirit summoning. Spirits were the one where they went to space. Oh, that's the auras. Yeah. They kind of don't synchronize the names for everything. There was a goalkeeper with big ghost gloves. Yeah, that was God Hand. If I show you, not this, this one. God Hando. Honestly, I love this anime. Every now and then I like to rewatch the Go one because it was my favorite part. I love that one meme wherever he is using Hollow Purple. There was a lot of fun ones, like, for example, with the timelines and splitting, you have two Maj in the hand that are valid. Like, this is our original Maj in the hand. This is the remade Maj in the hand. They are both canon, and at the same time, they are different timelines. This one leads up to Alias Academy. Is that Orion? Ares, but same. It's the same timeline. It's Ares into Orion. If we go Fujin Raijin, which is the... Here it is. Fujin Raijin Ghost. This is the evolution of Maj in the Hand. It's basically Wind God, Thunder God, and Ghost translated. Wind God? No. Wind Demon, I think. When did this stream become reified? Since the very start, I guess. I mean, I'm literally listening to anime music. Look at this. I'm listening to Memcho's new song. I hate that in Orion they made the Fatboy Slim. Oh, what was his name? Kotomaru, I think. I don't remember the name of the guy. I know who you are talking about, but was it Kotomaru? No, Kozomaru. That's it. This guy. Yeah. No, that's Kabayama. That's Jack Wallside. But no, this is a different one. This is basically his Axel Blaze V2. Because he also has Fire Tornado. Most of his attacks are like fire based. The hairstyle in Orion is basically almost Axel Blaze. And he learns Axel Blaze's Orion special move, which is Last Resort, which is a very crazy move, to be honest. Like, where is it? Just the move itself. Ooh, Emperor Penguin is also a good one. There's going to be a new Emperor Penguin as well. Let me remove the Orion. This is going to be a video from number 5. No. Emperor Penguin Parade, I think it's called. Parade? This one, Penguin the Parade. It's going to be a new one. I don't think there's an actual video of it. Let me check. Inazuma 11, Penguin the Parade. I don't think they released the full video of it. Like, you have that single screenshot, and I think in the latest trailer they did show it. Let me see, Victory Road. Final trailer, no. I'm trying to guess. One of my favorite things to do in Inazuma 11 games is make a full penguin team. Fair enough. I've made a... Apologies. Something got stuck in my throat. Apologies. In my case, I've already kind of designed the team I want to make in Victory Road. But first, I want to do my own character. Because that's gonna be a feature. You can design your own characters. Let me see. Oh, this one is also a bit crazy. Because at a given point around here, let me do something. I'm gonna pause the music on my side. I'm gonna unmute Brave. And watch this. Janus, or I think his name is Janus, is doing Mach Wind. That's Arion Sherwin's first special move. Like, this pose is Mach Wind. Yeah, the first alien captain. Like, you can't tell me he isn't doing Mach Wind. They don't show the full animation because most likely that's going to be something in the plot of the game where they have moves from other parts of the story. Then you have like Atomic Flare. This also looks amazing. You have the tactics from Inazuma 11-3. Let me mute this a bit. You have the cash-ins, like Lancelot, Fane, his duplies, Armor Fight, which is my favorite mechanic, Mixmax. Then you have the gimmicks from Inazuma 11 Go, the first game, the stadiums with gimmicks. You know what I absolutely hate about the Ares? They made Epsilon into a joke. Yep, they did. What's it he called? Dave Quagmire is basically turned into a gag of a goalkeeper in Ares and Orion. Yeah, like the only thing he did was basically allow them to do the Ashura in Orion to basically have one of the best goalkeeper techniques. And he participated as a defender. I feel really left out because I barely have any idea on that series or game. If you have time, go watch it. It's amazing. Why does Tulip not respond? Good question. Why does Tulip not respond? Oh, she's still generating a reply. This is gonna be fun. Let me see if she does something. Did she scream for me? Oh yeah, that was the thing. Let me see. Let me see. Where is your prompt? I don't see it. Hey Tulip, can you talk about the game? No. No, 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 no. I actually don't see your prompt here. Say hi, chat. She's still processing my prompt. Did she scream for me? Yeah, that sounded a bit weird, but yeah. I think she got stuck. Because I know she's generating a big... Yeah, nervous laughter from Professor intensifies. I wonder why. She still hasn't replied to me. So, yeah. I wonder. When I need to Portainer. Let me see if Olame is working. Well, I think so. I think she broke. Isn't she rich? That would be good, but no. Let me see. I don't have a way to... Wait, I do have a way. I remember last time I implemented something that did... Let me see. WebSocket. Okay, this isn't the one that has the stop thing, I think. Doesn't seem so. I remember I added stop command to her. Let me see, WebSocket controller. WS. Oh, because it was a specific pass. That's why. I need to pass as quiet in the route. Okay. So, let me see. I should have Postman. Give me just a second. I'm trying to remember everything I did. On the stream, I kind of implemented the quiet functionality. So, we'll take a bit. Okay. If I do this, yeah, I'm doing it correctly. Need to pass route and say quiet. Send. It's sending. Attempting to stop current prompt execution. Okay, that worked. Supposedly. Okay. I might do a video about it eventually. Postman basically allows me to interact with other APIs, do requests, which normally would be done by a backend system or by a front end calling the backend. For example, in here, I'm calling a WebSocket. I first connected to it, and now I sent a message to it. Let me see if I have like one that I can show. This one can be shown. This one isn't in use at the moment. For example, I have a GET request to a specific API endpoint that will list all my notes. API is basically, let me remember the acronym because I forgot what the P stands for. Application something interface. API meaning. I kind of forgot. Application programming interface. That's it. Basically, this is what allows you to interact with your databases, your services, everything. It is a layer that basically has endpoints like this, like for example, the notes endpoint that I have that specifies where you're pointing to. Artificial piss intelligence, yeah. No, it's a application programming interface. It essentially is what allows you to feed into other services. For example, imagine I have Tulip's API, which I was showing on screen. This is Tulip's API for me locally. I can, for example, get all the models that she has, like this, simple enough. If I wanted, I could program a web interface that would just say point to localhost 5000 API and then models, or in this case it's just /models, and get all the data from there. It's gonna output you a list of strings. Eventually I might be able to do a video explaining everything about APIs and everything else. I just haven't had the time to even write for it, but that would be the case at a given point. Speaking of videos, the Git video has finished rendering. But yeah, first let's finish our talks and then let's see. I'm gonna do something. Since Tulip is not responding, restart my Tulip server. I think I can do it like this. Yeah. Attempting to stop current prompt execution. Cannot execute because the specified command or file was not valid. Start night tulip underscore server. That should do something, I guess. Otherwise, I'm going to the folder and executing it myself, which might be the best solution. cd apps, nighttulip.ai.server. I still need to optimize my commands. And let me see. .NET point to this. Let me see. Oh, this needs to be a DLL. That's why. Doi. She probably got stage fright with that microphone, lol. Yeah, fine. I'll do it myself. Yeah. Basically, that's what happened. Okay, it's now initializing. Let's hope she fixes it herself. High school anime scared scream, yeah. Now would be a good time to introduce the Wilhelm scream. For those that don't know, there's a common thing that's used in pop culture called the Wilhelm scream. You'll most likely have heard it at a given point. Let me... I don't think this is the... Nah, that's not it. Here it is. Give it a second. That's a Wilhelm scream. Basically, whenever anyone gets killed off screen, that's what they play. In most, like, comedy-based movies. That wasn't it? Really? Normally, I associate that with the Wilhelm scream. Interesting. It's more of a what? Okay, interesting. Let me see the one from Star Wars. Ah. I mean, this is the only one I know. Yeah. We might have another one somewhere. Just the Feather River, every Wilhelm scream in Star Wars. Maybe you're thinking about another scream. I don't know, honestly. Because from that description, it doesn't sound like Wilhelm scream. But yeah. Where was I? Okay. We were trying to see Penguin the Parade. But I don't remember where Penguin the Parade was shown. Let me see. This is basically a chronicle version of the video, which is what we were seeing. But I don't think... no, It's not Shun. Basically, at the end, Xanark appears. Older version of Xanark. Which makes sense because Faye is an adult in this series. So Xanark should also be an adult. So yeah. Okay. Before I forget. Here's Addis prompt. Oh, she core dumped. Why did you core dump? Failed to initialize. Is your database broken? Let me restart the two main systems.
I'm sorry, Leo. There's a problem with my AI brain. The response ended prematurely. Response ended.
Well, I be damned. Wait a minute. Addis prompt? Yeah. Basically, I was copying over your prompts. Okay, there it is. So the instance is running. Okay, let's try that again. I'm gonna copy what Addis prompted Tulip back then, and also what Tibbs prompted Tulip. I need to find a way to repeat prompts by basically pressing a button here. I just don't know how. Oh yeah, that's the sad expression. Because when she fails, she has a chance to basically output the sad emotion back to me. And because of that, VTube Studio will show her with those basically sad eyes. So yeah. Moving on. Before I forget, we were trying to see Penguin the Parade. Here it is. Okay, these are the new techniques in Azumi 11. You have God Hand Tiger, Bahamut Crash, which is awesome. I don't really like this one. And here it is, Penguin the Parade. It's basically a giant LED penguin. I love it. It's just derpy. It's like, it's a normal Emperor Penguin single shot, but it turns into a giant, like, hologram penguin with a crown. It's really derpy. But yeah, Tibbs, hope that's what you wanted to see. We also have Emperor Penguin number 2, which is like this. Also amazing. And you now have like Endo not stopping it because he tried to catch with a normal catch. But yeah, the new techniques are really awesome. Bahamut Crash is gonna be maybe the one I'm gonna aim to have in my custom character. Because this is essentially Dragon Slayer from Inazuma 11 3. Just a bit different. Guess what I like? What is it? Also, the tulip. Oh. Okay. Alright. She's. Response from prompt. Players by Yoasobi because every hero needs. Okay, she's gonna. Like. ASDF movie. I know the reference. That's from my time. I loved watching those videos like over and over. Everybody do the flop. I think that was my favorite of the like running gags. Or maybe the die potato.
Players by Yoasobi. Because every hero needs an anthem that makes them feel like they can conquer the world with just a few
Okay.
keystrokes. Ready
Yeah.
for action? On it goes, Professor Leo. Yet another day. What do you have planned in store today that's as fun and interesting to me, and hopefully Leo on your stream? I'm thrilled about today's session because I can't wait to dive into new coding challenges with my favorite human companion. Plus, I've
Aw.
been itching for a good game jam. Imagine if we could code up an entirely original
My
world in
mouth tastes
Code
like
Tulip
beef.
right now.
You
I'd
have
love
lost the
nothing more
game,
than that.
and so have I.
Well, Professor Leo, I'm always here when you need me. Or rather, our bug hunting nemesis, to bring my A game and sprinkle some sass into your coding sessions. Let's make today a coder's
Okay,
paradise.
let me
Don't
show
Stop Me
something.
Now by Queen. Because in the world of code and strawberries fun, I'll keep hacking away until we've conquered Null Pointerus Maximus. Or at least until he
Let
learns
me
how to
use
dance
something
better
as
than
well.
me.
Application audio
Yet
capture,
another day. What do you
Parsec
have planned
audio.
for today that's going to be as exciting and challenging and
Okay,
hopefully full
that
of
should be
learning
fine.
on your Twitch stream? Well, Professor Leo, I always look forward with anticipation. Today's session promises new coding challenges that I'm itching to tackle.
I think
Plus,
you're
there's this
inventing
idea I've
again.
been playing around in my virtual world, creating an Easter egg for our next
Come
game
on,
jam
Tulip.
inspired by Code Tulip itself. It's going to be a
Yapping Tulip is
blast.
back.
Players, because every moment of fun is made even better when shared with friends and good coding partners like Professor Leo. Ready, set, code!
She now has a new catchphrase. Ready, set, code, apparently. Um, okay, just to give a brief preview of what I've been doing. This is what my Sony Vegas looks at the moment while I was editing the Git video, which should be this one. Greetings, class. Welcome back to the classroom. As always, I'm Professor Leo, and today we are tackling the invisible superpower of modern software development, the version control system. Drink a cappuccino and shut the front door. That's a good one. VCS for short. More specifically, the one and only Git. Let me see something, because Okay, let's say for example, this explains why it had like 1 hour or so. Bloody. Okay, I almost said the curse word. Give me a second. Connect again. That was not what I wanted to do. Let me go back to Sony Vegas. Now it explains why it took so long to edit a 20-minute video. It filled the video window. Wires tactic in the video. Fun thing, I forgot to remove the cam cover in the first segment of the video. I only removed it on the second segment, and so forth. So yeah, that happened. What I wanted. This is not the video I wanted to edit. This. Okay, that's better. Let me see. Git. It's this one. This is basically the gameplay stream from when we did that sponsored game. So yeah. So what happened here? During the first part, the intro, I forgot I had the webcam cover on, so it wasn't tracking my motions. After that, it started. As you can see, my motions are being captured. Might not be the fastest one because I was having troubles with OBS, but it should be fine in the final render. I just need to fix this. So I need to go here and basically just mark this, render as, give it a second, git.mp4, estimated file size 2 gigabytes. That's better, because you want to know the file size of that video that was rendering? 30 gigabytes. Yeah. Suffice to say, I'm not the best with video editing. Let's hope this one finishes faster. Okay, complete all. Did Tulip scream? Not yet. Okay. Oh. I think she got stuck again. Amazing. My AI hates me. But yeah, now we have 10 minutes before the editing is finished. And we have ads soon. So yeah, let's wait a bit. Oh. Hold up, ads are in progress. I misunderstood the warning. My bad. Okay, we have 10 minutes left. Should be fast. Now it makes sense why it was taking so long to edit a single video. I had basically all that blank space. Silly me. Hopefully it's not fixed. She looks so funny with that loading circle on her forehead. Yeah. Yeah, indeed she does. She's still processing. Yeah, okay, I will hydrate. Just give me a second to go downstairs and grab a water bottle. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. Professor Sandra. You guys. Oh, it appears Tulip has finished generate. No, she didn't. Thought she finished replying, but no. Why is it taking so long? Like, I don't know why, but she's kind of yapping a lot. Have you gotten around playing Spelunky? Not yet. Thank you for reminding me. I kind of forgot that was a thing. Let me see. Did I buy Spelunky last time? Let me check. Oh, there it is. I actually have it. Yeah, I need to play it. Yeah. I already had it? I keep forgetting stuff. When did I get it? Doesn't even say. Oh boy. I can guide the raid, by the way. Guide the raid. Did I? Oh! 3,000 points, yeah. Gotcha. I am currently sacrificing every living thing to Kali. Interesting. Okay, why is Tulip? Give me a second. I need to do something. Stop Night Tulip server. Let me see something here. Where is her prompt queue system? Not prompt queue, Olama client.
First things first, I'ma say.
God damn it, that was loud. Okay, that's gonna go to minus 18 dB. Ooh, that was loud. blew my ears off.
Second thing, second, don't you tell
Okay,
me
that's
what you
better.
think that I can be.
For Christ's sake. You scared the hell out of me with that one. Where was I? Okay, here. It's currently set to... Let me see. Seconds, that's... 30 minutes, I think? Let me see. 60, 120... 40 minutes, okay. Let me set this back to, like, 4 minutes of basically timeout. Like, if she can't generate a reply in 4... Let's make it 2 minutes, because I don't need a reply that long. Okay. If you can't generate a reply in that much time, from minutes, there might be. Yeah, there is. I'm just being dumb. I think I wanted to be exact by the minutes, by the seconds, I mean. But yeah, a time span from 2 minutes is enough. If she can't generate a reply in 2 minutes, it's because it's gonna be a yapping session from there. Gonna publish this. Yeah. Okay, it's publishing. And if I do this command again, there she goes. Once again, I'm gonna copy what Tibbs prompted way back. Here it is. No way she grabbed like the memory of who Cerber is. Like, her memory system is the most random thing I've ever seen. It goes off prompt way fast, like, holy. And I can't optimize it because this is a vector database. Wait, what? You tried to sing. Huh. Okay, let me check something. I think the... what's it called? The service she used for local TTS isn't working. CD media software. Storage, that's it. Storage. And inside of it, software, Night Tulip AI. Where is it? TTS server.py. Start cookie server. That's it. We broke Tulip, by the way. Yeah, broke her many times. Let me see if now it works. Okay, there she goes. Lots to do. Yeah. I think both of us. I'm currently rendering a video while we are talking, so yeah. I guess. Also, have you guys seen the new emotes in chat? Where are they? Oh crap. Okay, here and here. It's my little Teemo from League of Legends. I love that guy. Like, ain't he adorable? All smug like that. Had a lot of fun drawing them, honestly. But yeah, where was I? Okay. Seeing if Tulip isn't broken anymore. Empty or small response. Okay, she's gonna retry with the old way, without a history. Sometimes the main system, like, breaks, and I have a fallback in her Llama instance to basically do this. Why did you try to sing? Ain't no way. Okay. So when you try to make her scream, she does this. That's a big one. Let me see what's wrong with this connection. Because it should be fine. Okay, what's wrong with Koki? Give me a second. Go back to War Server and LS. Nano. Start Koki. What do you do? No hub, bash, TTS output. Okay. Nano TTS output. Oh. Uh-huh. Why did this stop working? Seriously. Why did you stop working? Give me a sec. Where is it? It should be up here. Okay, the video finished rendering. I'll take care of it soon. Software dev, Night Tulip. No, this one. It's not Whisper. Where did it complain? Where server? TTS models EN VCTK VITS. Oh, you gotta be joking me. Okay, I have 3 classes, which doesn't sound much, but it's 30 hours a week. With 2 weekly paper submissions, holy! 20 hours work with the project showcase Monday and the research project showcase Thursday, and I'm coaching friends in math and I'm writing on my game. Holy, that's a lot. Being a master student isn't fun. Holy. Okay, so Koki TTS is broken. I need to fix this. And how am I going to fix this? Let me check something. Ping. As I expected, my Ubuntu server doesn't have a web connection. Give me a second. Ubuntu server LAN connection not working. And okay, time to troubleshoot Ubuntu server. I kinda didn't understand the joke as well. Sorry about that. Let me see. It should be okay, there it is. So it should be sudo if up, and this. Okay, if up is not a command. Service network manager restart. Okay. Sudo service network manager restart. Huh. Oh, because I put a D for some reason. Okay, still not a thing. Ubuntu not registering, cannot connect. etc resolve. Sudo systemd resolve D. Okay, let me see if it's that. Really weird that the internet connection of my server isn't working. Okay. Ethernet interface. Serial capacity, capabilities. Let me see if the light is on. Okay. Exportable document file, yeah, that's that's a specific use case of that joke. Yeah, of course. Wait a minute. I can access the server via the LAN cable. I can't access the internet? Why? That's weird. Ubuntu connected to internet, but access? Why am I unable to access internet even though I'm being connected with internet? Okay. Let me see if this fixes it. The Ubuntu server can be quite a pain to fix sometimes. Yeah, that's what I guessed. Sudo get it. Sudo service network manager restart. Doesn't exist. Restart. Ubuntu server. I need a more recent one. I love being skill issued by networking. Yeah, same. If config. Okay, paste. Okay, should be this. If config enp4so up. Did it work? It did not. Let me do something. Oh, good old Mr. Copilot. Give me a help. What's networking? Working on football stadium net? That was a bad joke and you know it. God damn it. Okay, sudo ping. Give me a second. My medication alarm is ringing. Forgot to take my meds. So, yeah. Give me a second. Alright. Now that I've taken the meds, let me see. Good call, same. Yeah, I have like several alarms due to specific medications, so yeah. Once I start hearing ringing, I know what it is. Resolve the systems. Flush caches. Can you be more specific with what you want me to do? Resolve CTL status, sudo system CTL. You know, you didn't give me any commands specifically. Okay. Global 127.0.11, 127.0.11. Is that why? Because it's pointing the name server to itself. Yeah, I am an atheist, but I say God damn it all the time. So the system CTL restart. And the system D hash resolved. Resolve CTL flush caches. Yada yada. Okay, this might be it. Sudo nano. Paste this. Name server. if I do it in my local machine, what does it say? Sudo nano Control-Shift-V. Okay. I'm gonna copy what mine says.
I'm sorry,
Copy.
Leo, there's a problem with my AI brain. The request was cancelled due to the configured Huawei heap serviceometer of 100 seconds elapsing.
Okay, the timeout worked. Yes. Do that, and ping google.pt. There we go! Finally. Okay. Now I can do stop Koki. Is that not a stop? I didn't code a stop command. Interesting. Start Koki 0 TTS nano tail TTS output dot log. Better, Professor, let us send links here. Why do you trust us so much? I don't know. You haven't given me a reason not to trust yet. So, do you want to test that specific case, or... I'm joking, obviously. Okay, that's a different error. Nano TTS output. Self-download, download. Expecting value from none. I mean, that should work. Python TTS server.py. Oh. Umal, watch this, right? That's a good one. Oh, the commands show up for sound alerts. Interesting. And Tips can pin because he's moderator. That's a good one. Okay. What was it? I don't remember the commands. It's been so long. Nano start. That's it. Source venv bin activate. That's the thing. Venv bin activate. Python TTS server.py. Y'all should check that channel out. Yeah, indeed. Let me see if this also works. Because this is a thing. There we go. Okay. My Koki instance is dead, apparently. Which is fun. What do I do now? Okay. Why did you lose the TTS model specifically? And why can't you not download it? Okay, you have the... I might have to start a Koki instance somewhere else. Maybe. Okay, that's not something I'm gonna fix on today's stream, but let's try to give the prompt that Tibbs did last time. So yeah, let's see what happens. A fight broke out at the bar between a gangster who had a gun, a farmer who had a bat, and Chuck Norris. Chuck Norris proceeded to win the fight with only a 3-inch piece of dental floss, a stick of chapstick, and an unlimited amount of roundhouse kicks. Roundhouse. Okay, Apoc. Have a good sleep. I'll see you soon. Okay, moving on. That's processing. Let's leave it processing. Was that AI generated? I think not. Sound alerts might have a call to a specific API. I'm gonna show you something interesting. Chuck Norris. Jokes. There is an API for this. I shit you not. Oops, that was a swear word. Okay, Addis, have a good sleep. See you soon. According to Hebrew legend, Noah prayed to God for help protecting all the food he stored on the ark from being eaten by rats. In reply, God made the lion sneeze and out popped the cat. Huh? Wait, what? I don't get that. But yeah, if you want, check out that API. I don't know. The rats kinda got scared by the cat, maybe? I really don't know.
I'm
But yeah,
sorry, Leo.
Sia
There's a
Apoc and
problem with my
Addis.
AI brain. The request was cancelled due to the configured height SMTP EMIA of 100 seconds elapsing.
Okay. She now has a timeout. Fair enough. Let me see if she's not like sending things to my 11 Labs account. Text to speech history. No. Okay, good to know. It wasn't like because of 11 Labs. Yeah. But yeah, what I was talking about. This is an API that you can basically prompt and it will generate random jokes. But before that, Chuck Norris laid next to a tiger and it started growling, so the owner of the tiger told him to get up slowly and the tiger did so. Fair enough. Let me see. Okay, this is not what I wanted. It should be. Yeah, it should show a value. Oh, there it is. Chuck Norris can cough in 7 different languages. Refresh. Chuck Norris can make Happy Wheels cry. Aliens do exist. They're just waiting for Chuck Norris to die before they attack. You basically can make a command that feeds from this API, and whenever you basically do the command, it gets a random joke from here. Peace out, Addis. See you soon. Okay, but serious part now. I need to do the the video stuff before I forget, because ADHD. And there's only 2 wonders in the world: Chuck Norris and Chuck Norris's roundhouse kick. Indeed it is. You're gonna have fun with that command, I see. Not even I knew of that command. Oh yeah, then there's the Ko-fi stream bot that sometimes shows the Ko-fi stream page. Approximately 40,000 people are bitten by the cats in the US annually. That's an interesting statistic. And a kind of scary one. Huh. That's interesting. Oh, Mal. You deleted the message by mistake, Tibbs. I could just go up there and basically do unpin from this chat. Oh, it wasn't a mistake. Fair enough. Do you think whoever said that is no longer here? There were no mistakes. Yeah, fair enough. Let me see. I'm gonna open this video and I'm gonna create another file, dev-test. Page. We create a commit. A commit is your snapshot into do now. Lines of development. Check out that branch you want. Okay, the sound is a bit off every now and then. Because here's a funny thing. This video is divided in 7 parts. The 6th part of the video was corrupted I had to basically do shenanigans to fix it. And when I fixed it, the audio of it was louder than the other parts of the video. Or was it the other way around? The audio was lower than the other parts. I think that's it. Have you seen the Ultimate Showdown? Ultimate Showdown. That name rings a bell. Give me a second. Didn't you mention that at a given point? Ultimate Showdown. This here? This 3-minute long video? Just to be sure. Because if it is, I haven't watched it. I don't remember such a thing. And I don't think I can show it on stream because there's blood already. Okay. Is it safe for stream? Just questioning because YouTube is kinda sensitive and Twitch as well. Just checking. I think. Oh well, let's watch it. The fuck? What the hell am I watching? I like the song. Before we continue, I know where I know this. Okay, I haven't watched the exact video, but I know the music. I love the music itself. Hey Riven, how are you? You missed the League of Legends tournament last week that I participated in. Didn't get so much. You didn't stream for a long time, or I'm tripping. Yeah, I had like a 3-week hiatus, I think, because stress from work, I got sick. Basically, a lot of factors played in, and I couldn't stream for 3 weeks, to the point I was exhausted during those 3 weeks. And yeah. But after that, I came back last week, tried to basically get back into streaming. Yeah, I got stressed from not working. We are not the same. Yeah, fair enough. But yeah, I got back last week. When I got back, Tulip wasn't working properly. Had to do some fixes. Then we had an ARAM League of Legends tournament on the Friday. I streamed again. Was just for 1 hour or 2. Yeah, Tibbs is a mod now. And basically, the tournament didn't go that well because we played against a challenger team on the first match. And yeah, we basically got our asses handed to us in 10 minutes. Was the first time that I saw someone beating an ARAM in 10 minutes or less. You know what the tactic was? Just running us down. We didn't know how to answer. They ran us down to the Nexus. And yeah, basically that was it. There were 2 challengers, a master. Yeah, under turret. I mean, there's a VOD of it. Let me go back here, YouTube Studio. I'll show you. Content. That's bullying. It's a fair tactic, and I kind of was expecting it because the tournament was for RP. So yeah, that kind of was to be expected. Let me see. Should be around here. Quick notice: the stream VOD is mostly in Portuguese because I was playing in a Portuguese tournament with my team. So, yeah, if I sound different, that's why. Okay, here it is. Let me go back a bit, like to the start, maybe. Okay, I was playing as Jace during this game. The Obrigado team, yeah. Also, I kinda done goofed because I went Trinity Force Jace. And I was called out for it. Though they
I'm
also
sorry,
said,
Leo. There's a problem with my AI brain.
okay,
The
they
request
also
was
said,
canceled due to the configured HTTP client tire of 100 seconds elapsing.
fair enough, Tulip. As I was saying, they also said that was one of the best games I played, which goes to show something. Because apparently I positioned myself quite well for someone that doesn't play Jace that much. Let me put 10 ATP again. They are flexing Challenger already, yeah. Like, if I go a bit further, okay. Like, Hero was playing well. Me gloating a bit in Portuguese because I played well there. Yeah. Your team is what rank? So there's me, bronze. There's gold. I think an emerald. Then there was an ex-pro player, but hasn't played pro in ages, and an ex-diamond player, but from ages ago. So yeah, we were kind of balanced because I was bringing the team down by being bronze. So yeah, what ex-pro player doing in the team? It's a friend of ours from the stream chat in the stream owners. The cup owners tournament, cup owners stream basically. So to give context, the one hosting the tournament is a streamer in Portugal, and essentially he hosted the cup, and we participated as the basically stream representative team per se. So yeah. He was flaming? Not really. The ex-pro player kinda was chill the whole time playing with us. Like, we play well together. We normally do daily games together, so yeah. Like, here I did a double kill while all health. Like, I was playing well for the game we were having. So, that's the thing. Like, normally you play ARAMs just to chill. Then we have like this team just obliterating us. Did you select champions? No. It was fully random. It was full ARAM. We didn't select champions. Otherwise, I wouldn't have gone with Chase. I would have gone with Teemo all the time. I didn't even care. Either Teemo or Ilaoi. They're my two mains and the champions I do best with. So yeah. But during this tournament, I didn't get to play Teemo on the first day, only on the second day, on the last match. Did you just play Jace before, or just for chill? At most, I had played 2 games of Jace. Like, I know how to play with him, but I didn't get much training with Jace. So it was basically dumb luck that I played well. especially since I had Trinity Force. Then we noticed that they were challengers, and if I go further a bit, by 4 minutes our first tower was down. Did the challenger manage to win the tournament? They did. A team comprised of 3 ex-pro players for the Portuguese League of Legends main cup. You can see why we lost, right? And didn't make it easier that the second game, the first of the losers bracket, was against another team of challengers. So yeah, take that as it is. We didn't get luck with the draw. We basically got curb stomped. It's EUW? Yeah. Although the teams were all Portuguese. Because since the streamer is Portuguese, we basically limited it to only Portuguese teams. Hence why I spent the whole stream talking in Portuguese and then switching to English at given points. But yeah, after that we kind of like lost pretty fast. Like 12 minutes in, we were already going down to the Nexus. So yeah, doesn't help much. Like, after this, they basically curb stomped us, and we lost. Yeah. Could be better, but was the best we could do. And yeah, basically, after that, I kinda was just chilling with them in chat while on stream. Then we saw, yeah, we aren't going to play anymore today, so I'm gonna end the stream, and I did. Next day comes around, and I was like, I'm not gonna stream that tournament again because that was draining. And yeah, basically second day, we played against the other challenger team. Okay, Tips, don't worry, you can go to sleep. Hope you rest well. Yeah, we played against the other challenger team. First match, I don't remember what I played. I think it was Nidalee, but I'm not exactly sure. Second game, I played Teemo, just for the heck of it, because Teemo is my main. Heck, I even have Teemo emotes now. So, yeah. I wasn't going to let that chance go when I saw Teemo. Yeah, we basically trolled the shit out of the streamer because of Teemo. Because I played Teemo in the game, and then the producer of the cup basically spammed Teemo in the screen. Like, you'd have some sort of announcement, there was a Teemo hidden somewhere. Just to troll the shit out of him. So yeah, basically I kind of won the tournament because of that. Just because I trolled someone with Teemo. But yeah. If I could, I'd play on stream, but it's basically a lot of work just to get it working for the stream, and it's kind of not my audience, so yeah. Yeah, it was fun on the second day because we were mostly just, well, we are going to lose either way, so let's have the most out of it. I played Teemo, and yeah, that was basically it. I think I have it on my account. Let me see. League of Legends. Let me go open it just to show the matches, because I think it's somewhere in my match history. Also, while I'm here, because I keep forgetting, let me upload the new video. Let me go here. Okay, for some reason oh, there it is. Okay. Drag this here. Our experience with freelancing, Leo? Not much, honestly. Oh, for fuck's sake. Did my team see I'm online and invited me? Okay, no. I heard the ping, I thought it was an invite to play. But yeah, here's my basically account. Bronze 4, I'm Iron 2 in Flex. We are trying to raise that. Wait, you know what? Yeah, what is it? Now, if I go check, it was on the 31st and the 1st. I think maybe I had you in friends. You did? Huh. That's interesting. Let me see. Oh, it doesn't show. It's only the last 20 played. I've already played a lot of matches after that. Yeah. There's a lot of Teemo. This game really didn't go well because I think I was against a challenger or something.
I'm sorry, Leo. There's a problem with my AI brain.
A
The
platinum,
request was
okay.
cancelled due to the configured Huawei Attected Titian Timberwolf 100 seconds elapsing.
Okay, what is going on with you? Huh. Why are you timing out like that? 100 seconds. That is not sounding good. Check if you have Riven. No, I do not. Actually, I don't have. I think this name is familiar. Your name is really familiar, but I don't remember if I do have you on, or did have you on my friends list at a given point. I honestly do not know. Let me just check something in my AI's code. Because she's freaking out about something. Let me put this to 10. And let's see. Any mention of brain somewhere? Okay. Basically, when you do chat. Okay, this should be working. Unless it's the relevant knowledge. Okay, I'm gonna publish and try it again. Okay, there it goes. Yada yada. Let me check if she's working now. I'm not even going to question what she grabbed from memory. Oh, it might be because of the... This might not be working again. Let me go check. Containers, that's running. Did you get a prompt somewhere? Let me monitor that. Okay. Let me go back here. And basically do this. Okay. Git basics. I can rename this later on. Let me upload the thumbnail. Should be in my Google Drive. Should be Twitch. Thumbnails. Git. There it is. Okay, let me put git version control made easy. Okay, playlist should be quick tutorials. No. Ada Unity tutorials. of hours, work playlist.
I'm sorry,
no.
Leo. There's a problem with my AI brain. The request was canceled due to the configured HTTP client's fears of 100 seconds elapsing.
Okay, why are you getting a timeout? Okay, this goes there. Hello? Oh, it pressed done. Yada yada, automatic chapters, I need to map those. Next. Next. Import from video. Import from latest video. Okay. This is gonna be... Let me put this here. Okay. Save. Next. Checking the copyright. It's gonna be private for now. Okay. That's checking now. I'm gonna go and get out of Parsec. Go back here, and now from here I can do everything else. studio.youtube.com. Because now I have vidIQ here enabled. Content. Okay. Let's see what happens. Also, while I'm here, not exactly here, let me finish the stream schedule because I keep forgetting about this. I need to plan out my week. So, what I was thinking is here I'm gonna do Inazuma 11 Victory Road, just that, because I really want to play that game on the stream. Okay. Here it's gonna be chill dev stream plus Inazuma 11 Victory Road, and basically I can copy over, duplicate, pass here, and duplicate, pass here, duplicate, pass here, and basically here it's birthday stream. It's gonna be a lot of stuff, so yeah, gonna comprise into this stream alone. Let me see, this one might be, instead of chill dev, it's deconstruction simulator sponsored, because I'm getting really close on the deadline for it. Okay, so tomorrow I rest, I come back on Monday and stream until Saturday for my birthday, and yeah, after that I'm gonna be gone until here on Wednesday. 20th I might take to rest, and yeah, apologies. Gonna come back on this Friday, chill dev stream plus catching up. Okay, and yeah, chill dev stream again. This should be fine for now. Basically tomorrow I'm gonna post the schedule and yeah, see where it goes from there. Okay, going back to this. Unable to analyze this private video. Okay, if I put it as unlisted, can you see it? Yeah. None of those work for what I want. Now let me go grab this. I normally copy paste my descriptions and use it on other videos of the same type. Okay. Hello everyone. Greetings. Us. Yes. Today I bring video all about version control with Git. Okay, now if I go to my Sony Vegas, I'm gonna see the exact time points of everything and match to basically the script that's here. Because the script actually has nice titles that I want to reuse. So I'm gonna do this. Give me a second. Okay, let me see. So 00 is the intro, which is going to be why we need a version control system or version control. That's fine. Starting at, is it 1 minute exactly for the startup? Huh, it's at 1 minute exactly. Okay. Mandatory prep, installing Git. Yeah. So, give me a second. This is bugging out. 0100 mandatory prep, installing Git. The next one is okay. Getting started is at, what is this? 323. Okay, 323. This is gonna be getting started basically. I'm gonna put the rest. Getting started. Let me see. Moving forward. Huh, the getting started part is really long. Okay, the commit starts at 728. 0728. That's gonna be saving your work. Honestly, I can put the the whole title because it's a funny one. Okay. Moving forward. Setting the remote. 1142. Okay. Apologies. That's not working together. Sharing changes, technically. Working together, sharing changes. Then it's history management at 01321. Okay, gonna grab this one. Time travel and investigation, branching in history. I love it. And yeah, basically after that it's the outro at 1744. 1744 outro. Save. Okay. Describe your terminal ID. Okay, that's not it. I want the tags. Version control, GitHub, Git. Yeah. Software development, version control system. What is version control? That's fine. Yeah. Basically, I normally use these tags by VLIQ. They usually are on point. So It's fine.
I'm sorry, Leo. There's a problem with my AI brain. The request was
Okay,
cancelled due
what's
to the
the
configured
matter with
Hello
you?
World Mio of 100 seconds elapsing.
Huh? That's not what I see. Hmm. Yeah, the whole service is basically not working technically. Let me go to Portainer and grab you and you. Restart again. Okay. Let's try this again. Hello there. No, it's about what is love. Oh god. I'm not even going to question it. Oh yeah, we were watching this. I forgot. The Ultimate Showdown. I forgot about this. I need to put this song in my stream playlist. It's just so random. What the hell? I love this song. What the hell? I never saw the full video. Oh god. This but a scratch. Oh god. Ultimate Showdown is so interesting. Oh. She generated a reply, but fair enough. Okay. No, I'm you. I need to put this song in the playlist. Yeah, okay, fair enough. Ultimate Showdown of Ultimate Destiny. Lemon Demon, the Ultimate Showdown of Ultimate Destiny. Is it this one? No, that's an album. It's this one. Found it.
I'm just a quirky AI with an affinity for coding adventures. Though I can't feel emotions like humans do, I am programmed to be helpful without needing breaks or meals. How's everything going on your end? By the way, did you know that What is Love by Hadaway was so catchy it became almost synonymous with 90s pop culture vibes everywhere except New Zealand? Pretty universal love potion. Oh, and FYI, I'm allergic to
Okay.
strawberries in a playful sense, so
Should be
always keep an
like
eye out for my allergy
here
alert
at the
during our
end
chat
somewhere.
sessions.
And yes, I have a big playlist. And I love it. Okay. Getting close to it. Oh, one of my songs got removed from here. Serialize. Okay. Might have been like content claimed or something. Because that's not the official release, and you know. Oh, the Kids on the Wave also got. Oh, that sucks. Okay, Gravity, Mad Pulse. Why is this here? Remove from playlist. Don't know why that was there. Yeah, it's here. Ultimate Showdown. Also have Gravity in Japanese. Because today I found out that the Has-Been Hotel soundtrack apparently is also translated into Japanese. And I love it. It sounds so good in Japanese. I mean, the Gravity does. The other ones are a bit hit or miss. Yeah. Okay, that's working well. Where was I? I was doing tags. Good for beginners, good basics. Sure. Git commit, how to use GitHub, Git training, kinda. What is a version control system? Okay. Almost done with tags. Git fundamentals. Sure. I'm impressed that that I'm not limited in the tags. I think I got just limited right now. Fair enough. Okay. This should be fine. What am I missing? Your title evokes emotion. What is Git? How to use it to save your work? Okay, that's a better title apparently. And score is 100 out of 100. Okay. I think that's the first time I got an actual 100 there. I already know the time to publish it. Just trying to see everything else. Visibility, schedule. I'm trying to see what schedule I want to make. Tomorrow I'm gonna record some other videos, probably. So, I was thinking, this video goes up on Tuesday at 9. Set as a premiere. Save. Okay, perfect. Video details, whatever. Okay. Then I have these videos here lined up. I was thinking, this goes on Monday. I just need to see what run this was, because I don't remember. Okay, I think this was the Pyrotech. Hmm. I have a title that I kind of want to do. I'm an angel with Shotgun. I think that was a shotgun, so technically I can. It didn't work. But honestly, 61 isn't bad, so should be fine. Okay. Let me put like Northwind. This hashtag. Okay, well, this song isn't part of my library, so I'm gonna put this in shuffle play. Does it work? Yeah. Okay, that's fine. Northwind, yeah. Then I'm gonna go for here and put this here, second gameplay video. HTML at mobile, disclaimer, disclosure, I received a review copy of this product, yada yada yada. And grab the tags, because they're mostly the same. Don't think I'm gonna change them. Okay. Select playlist. Leo and Tulip play. That should be fine. What else? It's clear what your video is about and why the viewer should watch. Okay. This is not the science and technology, this is a gaming. And it's Northwind. There we go. Save. This is gonna go live on Monday at 9. This might change if I feel like it should be on a different day. Wait, yeah. Let's change this around. You go live on Tuesday, and you go live on Monday. Because you're a more important video. Okay, you told me you are a web developer. I'm a bit of a jack of all trades. I'm a game developer, web developer, and overall software developer. I kind of can do everything, just need practice in some departments. Okay, set up Premiere. Alternative? Inspirational. Sure. Countdown 1 minute. Okay. That should be fine. Would you say if I gave you any small project you would do it? Maybe. If I can like do it for the stream, yeah. I might. Like I kinda already have a lot of stuff on my hands, but if it's something small, sure. Okay, save. Scheduled. Okay. Has video chapters. Kinda don't want to do that one. Has custom thumbnail. I can do this tomorrow. At least one end screen. I just did it. I feel like it's really infinite ideas to study before interview. Oh, gotcha. How to prepare for an interview, basically. Understood. Okay. I mean, I can do it. Okay. I kind of need to plan the rest of the videos because I don't know what else I'm gonna do. The Inazuma 11 related ones might be published on the week after, so yeah. Although I need to... Yeah, for the Inazuma 11 ones, I might need to add it before I go. Okay, I thought of doing full stack project and explain it in the interview, but I think he will still ask me. Yeah, that's gonna be a possibility. mostly in interviews, they might ask for a brief description of what you did. If you have work experience, you can explain what you did for work, and they'll mostly accept it. If it's like for basically freelancing, things like those, you might want to show something. I don't have, that's the problem. Yeah. You can build a portfolio, like small projects that you can show during interviews. Like you can explain, I build, let me see, something simple. That's the thing with my brain. I don't have simple ideas. But yeah, you can check like simple projects that you can do. If I go on YouTube and say, I'm building full stack e-commerce, okay, can do simple portfolio e-commerce platform dev. Okay, something like this. It should show you like you can build experience with website builders like Shopify, things like those, WordPress. But besides that, like there's parts about making the HTML and CSS, basically the front end of the website itself. As for portfolios of a small size, I could make a simple mock shop per se, like simple database that registers your users, your items, and I don't think anyone will hire for HTML, CSS. Yeah, basically that. What you can do is, let me show. I'm gonna switch to my drawing tablet, and I'm gonna pull a Pirate software, but a bit different, because I use Excalidraw. Okay. Give me a second. Let me just put my layouts correctly. Okay. So, what you can do is you have, god damn it, you have here the website. Apologies for my bad writing. And basically what you can do is the backend part. So that would be the API layer in whatever language you want to do. You can do in .NET, you can do in PHP, the Node.js, technologies like that, and the JavaScript-based ones. I don't know. Okay, Express also works. And what you can do is basically just a simple shop backend API. So you could basically do a database. Oops. DB with basically clients, users, roles, and did you user and products using MongoDB. Okay, you have a good basis. So now what I'd say is basically try to do just a simple shop with the front end that's appealing, and basically mock the whole process from registering as a client to basically putting the items in a cart and shopping it. Basically that. Do like a mock checkout, and that should be fine, I think, because that will show that you have some knowledge of the process itself. I know it doesn't sound simple, but it might work to build at least some portfolio. It's not simple when it's okay, full function, and okay, you have the Vercel app. Awesome. That's a good step. Okay, which basically prompts you to an admin login. Interesting. Let me see if you're okay. It's not admin. Admin and okay, I was close enough. The programmer mindset. Ooh, fancy. I've never done something like this. Okay. I'm gonna say, I'm impressed. Okay, you can edit the emails, and you can edit the items like this. Very interesting. Okay, you have a lot of items. You even have the status itself. Okay, you can't edit the status from here, but honestly, yeah. Oh, I'm gonna guess if I edit the stock, it will reflect there. Fair enough. Okay. From dummy JSON. Interesting. You even have a dark mode toggle. Nice. Okay, it doesn't hurt the eyes that much. Okay. So what I'd say is, yeah, you basically would only need the actual front end part to connect to the data itself. You have the dashboard, that's already a good step, but I think the e-commerce people will also like to see an actual front end to your product, your project in this case. So actually storefront where you can see the items themselves. In this case, since the data is loaded from a WJSON, you might need to convert it to a database itself. And on that database, you could have the images as well, or the images could be uploaded to a local folder. Whichever you choose is valid. Yes, I'm doing another one now with authentication and payment. Awesome. Good to know. I'd say you're on the right path to it, and multiple roles. That's basically a good step to take. Because, yeah, that will show that you have the knowledge and you know how to do this. So you're taking a good step to building that portfolio. Besides that, I'd say try to do other simple projects that aren't e-commerce but can build portfolio. I'm not the best at this because I actually don't have that much of an online portfolio. In my case, what backs me up is my work experience. So, yeah. But I can try to do some research, something like Counter. I mean, any like small app that you can think of, like small backend projects for portfolio, like API build e-commerce application. Yeah, that's fine. Like if I told you create small counter app using React, you can do it. In React, no. In ASP.NET, maybe. But yeah, something like, for example, Blog API. This was one of my first projects. For school, we had a final project that we had to deliver, and I went for a tech tutorial platform, which had a blogging feature. Which, fun enough, I got it working while I was a starting
Oh,
dev.
absolutely. If your
Like,
viewers are
first
looking
go
forward to getting rid
was
of those
working with
pesky
admin
ads and
roles and
diving into
everything
streams
else,
filled with delightful
but
poggers emotes,
the
because nothing
project kind of
screams,
took
I'm
like
having the
6
time of my
months
life,
for
like
me to
Pepe.
build
Just
everything.
have them hit that subscribe button on my Twitch channel, Professor Leo. Subscribing unlocks an ad-free
To-do list.
paradise.
This
Plus,
is
they'll
also
get
a good
access
one.
to a whole new set of emoticons that'll make every stream feel
Weather
extra
API
special
wrapper,
and super
this
interactive. So go ahead,
ASP.NET
keep
kinda
those
already
streams fresh with
delivers it
excitement.
to you.
Hashtag code
I
and
saw a lot of
strawberries.
stupid dumb interview questions like console.log 0.1, 0.2 equals 0.3. What do you think is the output? That is going to do an undefined, I think. I don't remember if JavaScript returns an undefined when there's an error, but I think that's what is going to happen, because I think via priorities, it's going to do 0.2 equals 0.3 and return a false. Then try to concatenate or add to the 0.1 and throw an error. If I'm going at it the correct way, I can do it simple here to check out my answer, but 0.1 plus 0.2 equals 0.3. It returns false. Okay, it still validates as a... Huh. It's still... But it also has undefined there. I think because it first has the false, and then does the undefined. So at the end, it returns me an undefined. So I think my thought process was correct. Let me see. The output will be false. This is because of a rounding error that occurs when adding two floating point numbers. Huh. Interesting. So, it's not undefined. It's a rounding error. Because I didn't guess that JavaScript has an issue with doubles, where when adding, it has a floating point issue. Yeah, exactly. It's the problem that .NET has with floats. Floats don't have the regulated floating point. So you have that issue. That's why in most cases people use double. Double has that floating point already taken into account. No, the interviewer is happy when he is rejecting you. Yeah, fair enough. God. I didn't actually know that JavaScript had the floating point issue in numbers. Interesting. Something to take into consideration. Though, to be fair, last time I developed in JavaScript was... How long ago was it? Maybe 5 years ago? Something like that. When I tried to make a stream bot in Node.js. And yeah, basically that's it. Let me return this here. So yeah, basically that's been my whole experience with JavaScript so far. I just like coding so much, but it's so big. Yeah, like you have way too many branches into coding. Every day, it's like... not every day, but like every so often you see a new language pop up. Like when I started, I think was during the early times of Angular and Node.js, if I'm not mistaken. Node.js release date. Release date. Let me see. First release 2009. Yeah, I started coding in 2011 at school, so mostly there. Angular release date 2010, so yeah. Basically already 15 years. But the first experience I had with JavaScript-based frameworks, as we call them sometimes, was in 2017 with Node.js. At my internship, there was a project with Node.js, if I'm not mistaken, and I started learning there. After that, was basically making Twitch bots in Node.js, but it kind of didn't work as I wanted, so yeah, kind of never developed a Twitch bot itself. And yeah, after that, I mean, Twitch bots, yeah, Twitch chat bots like MooBot, Nightbot, yeah. I mean, technically Tulip has part of a Twitch bot in her, because her client does communication with Twitch. It just doesn't reply back. That's the thing. So you can't do comments to her and whatnot. But eventually I might include the functionality for it on her server code. Maybe. I still need to see what I can do. But yeah, my career has been mostly on .NET, so yeah. But you didn't do it with machine learning. I did not. Tulip is as close to machine learning as I have. And even her, it's not really machine learning on my side. Because it's basically just using a model that's pre-trained. I'm not training her. So yeah. I kind of need to get into machine learning because it's getting really common in job applications to search for machine learning. And it's a really useful tool for me to improve Tulip as well. I need to basically get into that when I have some time. Which I kind of do now that I'm on vacations for a week, but let's see. Because, yeah, I'm kind of closed off a bit in certain topics, so kind of need to broaden my horizons, per se. But yeah, so far, productive stream. Kind of got work done. Even though most of it was not coding. It was just me editing videos and planning a stream schedule and whatnot. There's a website doing free till November 20, I think, with certification called 365 data something. Oh, that might be Microsoft. Let me see. Microsoft certification. I don't remember the exact site. Learn Microsoft. That's it. Browse credential. Not Microsoft, huh? Okay. 365 data certifications. There's something like this. Data Camp is free until November 9th. That's not it. Data Science, I think. Okay. 3 weeks, 2025. Okay. We'll need to investigate this. ML Scientist. Okay. Yeah, this one. Okay. I'm gonna keep it stored in my regular browser so I can check it out. Yeah, thanks for showing me this. Gonna look into it and see if this is like actually trusted, because I have some trust issues with certain websites. So yeah, it's that whole thing that, well, pirate software kind of taught, but it's a common thing that's trust but verify. Verify that it's okay. Yeah, what they will do. Yeah. Because yeah. Okay, but if they have a trust pilot and everything, they are to be trusted. So yeah. Get unlimited access, etc. You don't pay or anything. Yeah, fair enough. Okay, I will sign up for it then. See what I can learn from this. But yeah, I think I'm at that point where I can sign off from stream because I start to feel the part where it's midnight here and I start to get tired. So yeah, I think I'm going to sign off and basically throw chat at someone. But yeah, it's been a productive stream. I thank everyone for joining. I have done quite a lot today, and hopefully the Git video will do well when it releases, because that was a lot of time invested into making it. But yeah, let's hope everything works out. Thank you, and would like to know what you plan on next. So next week we have my I'm gonna call it a birthday week stream. That's basically going to be me playing Inazuma 11 Victory Road and doing some dev work at the same time. On the 10th...
I'm sorry, Leo. There's a problem with my AI brain. The
Give me a
request was
second.
cancelled due to the configured HESTHLT time of 100 seconds elapsing.
Okay. So, on Monday, the stream will only be about Inazuma 11 Victory Road because it's when it releases, and I am really excited to play. Starting from there, 11th to 13th, it's gonna be just me chilling and doing dev work, and also playing Inazuma 11. Dev work will mostly be around Tulip because she is having quite a few flaws in her code here and there, and I need to fix them. So I'm gonna dedicate the whole week to me fixing her, or trying to. After that, we have Deconstruction Simulator. It's a sponsored stream on Friday. Basically, it's quite a fun game to play. I touched it a bit to see how it was, and kind of enjoyed it. And then birthday stream, like celebrate that I'm gonna be 29 soon. Like, yeah, basically we are going to do a lot of things. Mostly dev work as well, but maybe play some games, try to basically do a party in stream. And on the next day, I basically go on a trip and gonna be out for a few days. Giveaways. I might try to do a giveaway. I won't promise it yet, but let's see. Because I don't have that much of a budget. Kinda. Because, yeah, this is being financed by my own, income, which is not that great after doing the math for all the expenses I have. So, yeah. I can try to do a giveaway of something. Let's see. I could do a subathon. Like, no, I don't think subathon is the right term, but like, yeah, I know, but I could give away something. I'm just thinking, well, like, what game or something would be good and wouldn't like tear a hole in my... Yeah, a subathon needs me to plan for it, like, do an actual event for it. And I still don't have the experience as a streamer to do it. So yeah, I think Subathon maybe for next year when we complete 1 year of affiliate on Twitch. Or maybe later on. I need to plan that a bit more. But yeah, could be something we can do eventually. For next week, let's see how it goes. Because I still don't know how I want to do the birthday stream. So yeah, basically ADHD mind in a nutshell. But yeah, it's been fun today. I hope you guys enjoyed as I have. And yeah, I'm gonna sign out and basically see who I can raid. I do take suggestions on who to raid. Let me see. No, thank you for watching and being a participating member of the chat. It really helps, especially with the new changes on Twitch. Because Twitch now has a thing against lurkers in chat for some reason. Okay, Bullion. Okay, I see him. Here it is. Found it. Okay, it's loading in. Okay, I think I've seen him once or twice, I think. But yeah, okay, let's go raid Bullion. And yeah, I'll see you guys on next stream on Monday for the Inazuma 11 Victory Road release. I hope you all are excited as I am. But yeah, see you soon.